Welcome to GK Mojo. So in this CAT Target 2021 series, we are going to cover CAT previous year papers. So in this part, we are going to cover quants. Alright, what we are going to do in this video is we are going to see how effectively and easily we could have solved this CAT paper. So because this is a phobia about CAT, that CAT is a very tough examination. So we're going to solve the paper of CAT in the simplest manner. Let's get started. First question, how many 3-digit numbers are there for which the product of their digits is more than 2 but less than 7? Okay, so it should be more than 2, right? And it should be lesser than 7, right? So what all numbers can be there? 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we'll go case by case. Whenever you have such a case, right, what have they asked? Product, right? So observe one thing, 3 and 5 are prime numbers, right? So the only combination possible is 131, 113 or 311, right? The product of any of these digits is 3 only, correct? Similarly for 5, 151, 115 and 511, right? So another 3 possibilities over here. Now for 4, what all can be possible? For 4 we can have 221, right? The product of this is 4. So let's sort it out first. 122, 221, and what else we can have? 212, right? Apart from that, we can have 411 also. Product of this would also be 4. So 411, and again in 3 possible ways, 141 and 114, right? This is another 6 ways to represent 4, in which the product is 4, right? Now let's go for 6. I'll change the ink over here to avoid confusion. How can we do this? So 6, 1, 2, 3, right? Multiplication of this comes down to 6. Let's arrange it. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, right? And 1, 3, 2, right? 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. These are the 6 ways. Apart from that, we can take 161, 116 and 611, right? So now count the cases orally. Over here 3 cases, over here there are 3 and 3, 6 cases, right? Over here there are another 6 cases, 3 cases, right? Over here these are the 6 cases and these are the 3 cases. So 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 and 3 is 12, 12 and 8 is 12 and 6 is 18, and 18 and 3 is 21. So the correct answer to this theta question was 21. Let's have a look at the next question. If f of 5 plus x is equals to f of 5 minus x for every real x, and f of x is equals to 0 has 4 distinct real roots, then the sum of the roots is. So over here you cannot go by algebraic method. I mean, it would be very lengthy. Graphical method is always preferable. I'll show you how. Now f of, just a second, I'll just change the ink over here. Alright, f of 5 plus x is equals to f of 5 minus x, right? Which basically means if we put x equals to 1, f of 6 is equals to f of 4. If we put x equals to 2, f of 7 is equals to f of 3, right? Try imagining a graph now, right? So basically this 6, f of 4 would be somewhere over here, right? Now if it's 7, it would be 3, right? Again like this, and this would be your 5, right? So the graph would be somehow be like this, right? So it is symmetrical about 5, right? And what it says is it has 4 distinct roots. Now what is the meaning of 4 distinct real roots? That it would cut the axis at such points, right? So imagine it's cutting it at such points. So these are the 4 hypothetical roots, right? So whenever f of x is equals to 0, the value of x for which the value is 0, they are the roots of that equation, right? Now let's suppose hypothetically f of 10 is equals to 0. What it means with respect to that is that x is equals to 5, so f of 5 plus 5 is equals to 0, and f of 5 minus 5 is also equals to 0. So basically f of 10 is equals to 0 is a root, and f of 0 is also equals to 0 is also a root, right? So basically the concept being, jitna units we are going ahead over here, let's suppose k unit, next to this 5, the same number of units you can come back, right? k units, and that would be your root as well, right? So basically 5 plus k plus 5 minus k, right? This would be the sum of the roots, right? K will get cancelled, तो उसका importance ही नहीं है. So basically sum of a pair of roots is 10, but 4 roots है, right? तो एक पेयर का 10 है, तो 2 पेयर का कितना होगा? 20, right? Correct answer is 20. Let's have a look at another very easy question that appeared in CAT. This was the simplest question that I have seen, right? Viru invested rupees 10,000 at 5% simple annual interest, and exactly after 2 years, Joy invested rupees 8,000 at 10% simple annual interest. How many years after Viru's investment will their balances, that is principal plus accumulated interest, be equal? Now most of the students, because of this statement, they did not attempt this question. Principal plus accumulated interest. Now what is principal plus accumulated interest? It's your amount, right? So it was as simple as they're asking the amount, when the amount for Viru and Joy will be equal, right? So let's calculate the amount for Viru first, right? So let's suppose their amounts will be equal after x years, right? It will be equal after x years. So what is Viru's investment after x years? Right, simple interest का formula plus your principal कितना था? 10,000, right? Plus 10,000 into what is the interest charge? 5% into your years, that is x, right? Similarly, what would be Joy's investment, right? And it would be after x minus 2 years. Why? Because he entered the investment after 2 years after Viru invested, right? So 8,000, right, plus 8,000 into what is the percentage? 10 by 100 into x minus 2. Now the amount should be equal, so this should be equal to this, right? तो कर लो equate और solve करो इसको. So you'll get such type of equation. 10,000, right, plus your 500x is equals to 8,000 plus 800n minus 1,600, right? So you have to just solve this. Now this is just piece of cake for you now, all right? Very easy. So basically you get 3,600 is equals to 310x, right? So this x comes out to be 12, and that is your correct answer, 12 years. So that's it in this video. Please visit us at jkmojo.com. Thank you.